What is up everybody and welcome back to the channel. In today's video we are taking a look at this Zeekr X that we have right here. This is the crystal white, this is the premium version. The one that we shot just recently is the flagship model. But now, let's take a walk around to show you how does this crystal white premium spec look like if you were to be here in person. How would it look like? So yeah, we got the daytime running lights over here. Got some beautiful design of how the car actually looks like the front hood. Just check out how that very edgy kind of like lines at the front looks really nice. You got some chrome badging over here, daytime running lights over there, your main headlights over here, which we will turn on later, same over there, and then you got some cooling purposes for the battery right down there. You got some opening for the air to flow on the left and on the right. Very nice indeed. Sensors at the front, beautiful. We'll open up the front to show you later, but let's move on to the passenger side. Mirrors, beautiful gap that we have right here. Uniquely designed in a way, you know, without any bezel. It's like a frameless kind of a side mirror. Look at the wheels. Now, these are 18-inch. The one that we shot recently would be 19. These are 18-inch. Tire of the size of the tire is 235/55 R18. So again, 235/55 R18. So beautiful, very nice and unique wheel design. So let's move on to the interior part of this. Let's start off the door. Got some window adjustments right here. Opening up of the door, very simple and nice. Holding is this, so not so much of bulkiness and things like that. Yamaha speakers located right here. Touchscreen is available, just nice. Got some ambient lighting that dims away, comes back on. Love the carpet design. Interior, super soft leather and nice. Some gold touches, finishes here and there. Very uniquely different in a way. Seat belts are in grey. Seat adjustments are here to even use your other adjustments for the side bolster together with the raising up the seats. Moving front and back for the back to come forward also is the same. Wireless charging for you to charge your phone. You got a place to keep some stuff right here, and you can close that back down. You have your Type-C charging if you wish to do it over there. Some extra storage down there. So let's move on to the rear. Now the thing I love about these doors is also another thing. You see, if I were to open up the doors, I just have to put my hand in without putting any force. The door automatically just opens. Then I just gotta pull. So there's a sensor on the inner part of the door up there. So not push it down, but put your hand back where it was, but don't have to use any effort. The car automatically detects that you wish to go in. So yeah, check out the rear. Speakers over here, buttons over here. These parts actually light up with ambient lighting. So window up and down. Yamaha speakers over there. Some storage compartment over here. Zeekr wording over there. So the other one will not be in a chrome plate. It's more like a blacked out finish. The other car was in a chrome finish. So let's move on to the interior. Check out the seats. Comfortably sitting right at the back here. Very nice. I love the space. And check that out. Sitting right here. Very, very nice and comfy. So now let's move to the center seat right here. Sitting right here in the center. Same thing. Plenty of room. And that's how much space that is on the left side, right side. Let's move down to the center. Here you got some storage, not really storage, but cup holders that you can keep. But yeah, push it back up in there. Very nice indeed. So we're back to the center, the right side. So we have some gold finishes here and there. Nice texture for the rear driver and passenger seat. Amazing glass roof right on the top. Love how it looks, love how it feels. Very spacious and nice. You gotta be here to actually feel it. But yeah, your doors Let's close the door. Now if I were to open up the door, what's nice is the button. Just push, just open it up. Now these have lights here. It's not that dark for you to see, but you can adjust the brightness if you wish to. We'll do that in another video. But yeah, now let's open up the rear boot button right here. Press on that, so the boot opens up. Check that out. Storage is plenty. You can fold down the rear seats if you wish to. Let's check out what's hidden down here. Cables, warning triangle, and your reflector jacket right there. Fold down the rear seats in a while more. To open up the boot is the button. To close the boot will be right here. Check that out. Very nice. Now let's fold down the rear seats to show you guys how much space there is. So you gotta pull this lever all the way down. Check that out. I love how they have that seatbelt buckle here. Holds the seatbelt tight. Sometimes you always want to push it back up and always gets jammed up here, right? But in this case, you cannot find that with this car. Beautiful, easy, nice, fantastic. So yeah, that's the storage place for the rear boot. Now let's fold down the other seat. Same as well. Pull this. Let's check out the side. So much of storage space that you guys can actually store stuff. Very nice. Now we'll fold that in a while more. Back up. And let's move down to the driver. Check out the door side. You got window adjustments, door opening. Let's get on in. Check that out. Earlier I sat in comfortably, and even right now I am comfortable as well in the correct seating position, because it's just nice. Yeah, gotta sit upright to be that way, but yeah, cool. Very nice indeed. So I love the steering design. It's very uniquely designed in a way. Love how it looks. Gear on your right side, parking on this side. You also have your wipers, your signal. You have your rear wipers and also the front, also located here. And some voice commands here to toggle through the main screen here. Ambient lightings are over there. They come and go. Very nice. Check out center armrest. Very nice. Love how it looks. I love how it feels. So you got plenty of vehicle settings that you can choose from. We will get to that in another video, but yeah. For right now, earlier the lights were turned on. Now let's turn on the front headlights so at least you guys can see. See right now, if I turn that off, I just use this. So yeah, the front reflection, you can see it, But yeah, let's head down to the front to show you guys how it actually looks. So these are with the front main headlights that are turned on. Very nice looking, very beautiful looking car. Now let's check out the front hood that we have right here. So opening for this will be on the driver side. Pull twice. Gotta go back right here. Opening is right here. Lift it all the way up. Compartment storage where you keep some stuff. I believe the cable would just do well here. Clips to hook on that all the way in. Windshield washer. Nice, very clean and very nice and lovely setup. So this is actually very, very unique. I would love this car so much to be driven as a daily car. Now we will check out more and more cars in the future, but that is it guys for today. Thank you guys for watching. If you'd like to find out more about Zeekr, you can head down to Zeekr Sunway City, which is right nearby Sunway Pyramid, and perhaps you can check out, there are tons of models that they have. This is one of it, crystal white. This is the premium version for the Zeekr X. That is the flagship version for the Zeekr X, and it's in a palace beige exterior. We got another one right here, which is the mineral green Zeekr 009. We will get to this in another video. We got the beautiful Zeekr 7X, another Zeekr 009, a delivery room over there, but that's all for a later video, guys. So thank you guys for watching, and see you in the next video.